Hello everybody! Now this week we're going to be learning of some facts about penguins, and today's measuring challenge we're going to be measuring penguins. So in your home learning pack that you've all got at home now, you should have a sheet like that. It's a big sheet with lots of penguins on it that you can measure. Now the first thing that you need to do is to cut out the little strip at the side of your sheet. You can see I've chopped into mine. And now your grown-ups might need to help you cut that very, very carefully. Now, that looks like a centimetre measuring strip, doesn't it? The standard measures that we were measuring last week when we were doing our measuring challenges. But it's not. It's a non-standard measuring strip. And if you remember, the other non-standard measures that we used were things like pegs or Duplo bricks or lollipop sticks. So they would each give us a different number depending on what we were measuring. So this isn't a centimetre strip, it's a non-standard measuring strip. But what I want you to do, I want you to put it next to each penguin and make a guess, an estimate of how far along the measuring strip each penguin will measure. So you're going to guess first which number, how far along it will go to, and then measure it with your strip. And all you need to do for that, and I've been chopping up my penguins to make it a little bit easier for me. So you just need to make sure you start at the end where the 1 is, so it will start from the little marker there, which will be the 0, and then just measure down the strip to see the number at the bottom of the penguin. I'm not going to include his feet, I'm going to measure his body. So that for that penguin, he's measured 6. He hasn't measured 6 centimetres, he's just measured 6 on my number strip. So he's a middle-sized one. So if I was going to look at a smaller one, or a larger one, let's try him because he's nice and big. Now, what do I think? How many do I think he's going to measure on my measuring strip? Is he going to measure about 10 or 11 or even 12? Let's have a look. I'll lay him flat again, and that's probably how you need to do it. Like flat on the table. Place your measuring strip on there and look. Let's see if you can see the number at the bottom. It's just about up to number 11 on there. So that's the nearest one that I can read up to. So he's quite a tall penguin, isn't he? You might then be able to order your penguins, and you can do that before you start as well. From the smallest penguin up to the largest penguin. Can you use those important describing words? Taller, shorter. Can you do that to describe the height of each penguin? Which one is the tallest? Which one is the shortest? So that's a good measuring job and an activity you can do with your penguin sheet and your non-standard measuring strip. Now, also in your home learning pack, you had another measuring strip, that one. And that one, again, we call that the ice cube measuring strip because it's like lots of little ice cubes, and we would be doing lots of measuring with that in the classroom. So as another challenge today, you can use your ice cube measuring strip to go round your house, measuring your toys, measuring things all over your house to see how many ice cubes they measure. Now your ice cube strip goes up to 9. So again, can you find objects that measure less than 9 ice cubes? And can you make a guess again or an estimate of things that might measure more than 9 ice cubes, that will be longer than 9 ice cubes? So you can just have a good practice at using your measuring strip when you've measured your penguins, and do lots and lots of careful measuring again today and have fun. Okay, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.